In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable PDF in Canva. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially if you want to create interactive documents, brochures, or ebooks. Let's get started right away. First things first, you'll need to open up Canva in your web browser. If you're new to Canva, it's an easy-to-use graphic design tool that's great for designing everything from social media graphics to presentations and more. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll quickly see why so many people love this tool. It's user-friendly and packed with versatile features, making it a favorite for both professionals and beginners. Now locate the Create button. It's typically found near the top of the page. Clicking on this will present you with a range of design template options to choose from. For our task today, we're focusing on documents, so look for the Docs option and select it. This choice will allow us to work specifically on creating a document-like structure, tailored for our clickable PDF goal. Once you're in the Docs section, you're going to want to click on Doc. This selection takes you to a clean, blank page where all the magic happens. Think of this as your canvas, ready for your creativity to take flight. You'll see this blank page before you, and if you're anything like me, this openness is both exciting and full of possibilities. To add content to your project, you'll need to click on the plus button. This button is positioned conveniently to let you add various elements. We'll be focusing on adding design and text, crucial for giving your PDF the interactive elements necessary for it to be clickable. You'll also notice a toolbar with plenty of options. Click on Design. Here you can explore different templates, ideas, and color palettes. Customize your document to make it truly your own, reflecting the style and message you want to convey. After setting up your design, it's time to add text. Just click on Text, a feature that offers an array of font styles and sizes. By selecting Add a Text Box, you can input any information you wish to make interactive, laying the groundwork for the clickable elements. Once your content and links are embedded, it's crucial to click Save. Canva automatically saves your progress as you work, but it's always a good idea to ensure your efforts are securely stored. Next up is embedding a clickable element, such as a website or file. Navigate to the Uploads section to guide you through this process. Click Upload Files to import any media you might need in your PDF. Once uploaded, locate your media in the Files list, click on it, and drag it to the text box where you want the link to be active. This is where the drag and drop technique is particularly handy. Position your uploaded file on the desired text box to make it interactive, thus adding the clickable aspect to your PDF. And that's all there is to it.